In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage and upload files using Hostinger and SRV 1982 files, ASTGR, IO. Whether you're new to web hosting or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the steps with ease. Let's dive right in. To start off, head over to Hostinger's homepage. This is your central hub for managing all your web hosting needs. Once you're there, the next step is to locate and click on the Manage button. This feature is crucial as it allows you to oversee various elements of your hosting account, granting you access to settings and tools that are essential for maintaining your website. After clicking Manage, you'll want to navigate to the dashboard. Consider this as your command center. It provides a comprehensive overview of your website's performance and settings. From here, you should look for the Files option. Clicking on Files will bring you to the section dedicated to managing your site files, which is where we'll be doing most of our work today. Within the Files section, select File Manager. The File Manager is an incredibly useful tool that allows you to browse, edit, and upload files directly to your server. Once inside the File Manager, focus your attention on the website you want to manage. In this case, click on the option to access files for the site titled peachpuffshark254433, hostingersite.com. This will open up the file repository specific to that site, showing you everything that's currently hosted there. Now that you're in the right place, you'll want to click on File Upload. This step prepares the File Manager interface for uploading new files. Right after that, you'll need to click on Insert Drive File, which lets you choose the specific file you intend to upload from your local device. It's as simple as selecting the file you have prepared and confirming your choice. Once your file is selected, the final step is to click Upload. This action will transfer your chosen file from your local system to the server, making it accessible on your website. And just like that, you've successfully managed and uploaded files using Hostinger's interface as well as the SRV 1982 files. ASTGR.io hosting environment. Remember, managing your website's files is a vital part of maintaining the health and functionality of your site. Regularly updating and organizing your files can save you time in the long run and prevent potential issues from sneaking up unannounced. Thanks for joining me in today's guide. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on managing your web hosting efficiently. Happy hosting!